Hey everybody, it's Good Time Gal. I know, Happy New Year. It's 2025. We made it. Are you excited? Because I'm super excited. So let's do it. Let's have this conversation right now. And let me go ahead and welcome some folks first. And then after I do the welcome, we'll go through all of the new, fun, wonderful things that I've got going on, okay? Okay, so as you guys know, I'm usually cooking my little patootie off, and we have so much fun. And if you guys love my live, please share it, share it, share it, share it. So the last time we talked, we made this wonderful Bisquick apple cobbler. Y'all, that cobbler was gone pretty fast at my home. People love it. So that was really fun. And I hope that we all took to heart what I said for the new year, which was to just have a really positive time and to just enjoy the new year, because that's what it's about. The reason that I wanted everybody to have like a really positive experience is because this is what helps us move forward into the new year, right? Hey, this is what helps us stay positive. And then, of course, we have Valentine's Day. Then we have St. Patrick's Day. So all these holidays are stacked on top of each other. And sometimes we can get a little run down, a little haggard. But you know your girl. I always like to make sure that national holidays, that we are very celebratory. Hey there. And that's the whole point of it, right? So this is why we have the Good Time Gal cookbook. So I've got some good news and I've got some bad news about the cookbook. Are you ready? So the cookbook, it's still a wonderful cookbook, and it is still on sale, and it is available on TikTok. So I don't want us to think that's not what this is about. But unfortunately, remember we talked about my seasoning line that I wanted to put on TikTok, but unfortunately it's not going to happen. So what I'm offering is, for every purchase of a cookbook, I will give you my seasoning line for free. And this is 3 different seasonings. It's a chicken rub. It's a slaughterhouse barbecue rub. It is a pork rub. Yes, it is the real deal. So if you guys do that, then I will go ahead and do that, because unfortunately they're not letting me do it that way. I do have these on another platform, but I can't. You're gonna have to find that. I'll just say I'm all the same name, right? My name is Good Time Gal everywhere, and it's THYME, like the ingredient. So I was really bummed, because I really wanted to share that with you guys, because it's really good for people who like to meal prep. It's really good for the people who love to grill. It's just a really good seasoning that I handcrafted myself. It is my grandmother's recipe that's been in our family. My grandmother would be 104 right now, so it's been in there for a while. But again, if you purchase this because of our Live Fest awards, I will go ahead and include all 1, 2, it's the slaughterhouse rub, my pork rub, the rib rub, and then it's also the fat-free, salt-free chicken rub. So there's 4 different rubs. So, and this is a wonderful book. It's all in color. So this is what it looks like. So it's a color book, and it has all these wonderful meal plans. This is your girl. We talk about what a good time gal means, which is basically a girl whose chief concern in life is to throw wonderful parties and to seek pleasure in life, which is what I do. And then we have our dedication, and then we have some really great meal plans. This is called the 4th date meal plan. So I have a meal plan for if you have been on the 4th date. Everyone likes to pretend that the first date counts. But the truth is, when you are on the first date, you really don't know one another. You have been introduced to each other's representatives, but hey, let's be honest, that's how the first date goes. The second date is to see if you enjoyed the representative on the first date, and if you did, then there's the 3rd date to double check. The 3rd date is when you actually get to know each other and laugh at awkward moments and joke together. By the 4th date, you are inviting this person to your house, and you are wanting to meet them in a more intimate setting. What better way than cooking a delicious meal for them? I suggest this menu because not only is it easy, but it is a dinner to remember. The orange glazed chicken recipe, as well as the cucumber salad, are wonderful dishes that complement one another and can be brought together by sticky rice. It will be sure to get you to the 5th date. So this one, yeah, my niece, I had my niece try these out. Some of them, and they love them. So no, this is a wonderful book. I call this my working cookbook because it has over 40 recipes. It has over 15 meal plans, and it's for every occasion. I also have a holiday cookbook that is for 2024, and that was really fun. If you caught me Christmas, you saw me make my prime rib sandwich, and it was just a really wonderful, wonderful, wonderful time.